Today, I'm going to have a sleepover with my friend Natalie. And I have the perfect things to have a perfect sleepover.
I'm super excited. My friend Lily just pulled into the driveway and we're gonna have a sleepover tonight. We have the same shirt on!
I brought gifts!
Hey guys, we're Justice Girl with Heart Ambassadors and I'm Natalie.
I'm Lily, and tonight we're going to show you how we do a sleepover.
First, we're gonna go over our Justice Sleepover essentials. Our face mask kit,
Matching PJs.
a flip sequin pillow,
We're doing our nails tonight.
our sleeping bag,
Hey, Boo! Give us back our head masks.
oh boo. Let's get this party started. Lily is going to use the berry sprinkle scented face mask, so let's get right to it. Okay, I think you're done. Time to do our nails. Here I go.
This will go perfect in that color.
We're done our nails. It's time for the magic to happen.
It's working. Is it working? It's time to calm down, watch a movie, and eat some popcorn.
I hope you had fun at our sleepover. We're exhausted.
Good night, Natalie.
Good night, Lily. Bye, Lily. Now it's time to grab your bestie and have a BFF sleepover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Justice videos.